Viavi Solutions had a pair of entries achieve high score honoree status in Broadband Technology Report's 2022 Diamond Technology Reviews. The company's network and service companion, NSC-200, earned a 4.0 rating from this year's judges. Service providers and contractors can use the versatile network and service companion to ensure good, reliable 10 gigabit per second performance during service activation with consistent, efficient testing. In addition to speed tests, technicians can also verify and troubleshoot PON, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi performance. Said one judge who reviewed the network and service companion, this can take troubleshooting to the next level, especially where you are passing data through devices that can impact the flow. Also honored was Viavi's NoiseTrack, which received a 4.0 score as well. With NoiseTrack, operators can quickly narrow down an ingress source to a small section of plant remotely, drastically reducing the time that technicians spend in the field on final find and fix activities. By integrating ingress control switches into Viavi's ExpertTrack, technicians can continue to use their go-to ingress tool to both remotely localize ingress sources and find and fix them in the field. Services can also be temporarily restored through remote attenuation of the noisy active leg until the root cause can be addressed.